Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by entering the route header. Write the departure and destination identifiers, true courses for each leg, and magnetic variation. This aligns headings and compass. Once done, plot each waypoint with leg distances and cumulative mileage so you can track progress. Make sure to note forecast winds and an estimated ground speed now. These numbers set time en route. You're taking the first actionable steps that turn a blank nav log into a working plan for navigation and timing. You now compute the core values for each leg. Use a flight computer or E6B to solve the wind triangle, deriving true heading and ground speed. This is where wind impacts your track. Next, calculate leg time by dividing distance by ground speed and convert hours to minutes, then enter planned ETA for each waypoint. Once these are set, apply magnetic variation and compass deviation to get the final heading you will fly. These conversions keep your ground track accurate once airborne. You fly the plan and use the nav log as a live instrument. When you pass a waypoint, note the actual time over and compare to planned ETA. Update remaining fuel and downstream ETA accordingly. If you see track drift, compute a wind correction angle and change heading right away. This corrects ground track without redoing the whole log. If things go wrong, re-estimate ground speed using observed times and distances. Recalculating ground speed quickly restores accuracy for all remaining legs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.